Welcome back to SmartPress Presents. This video is going to explain and demonstrate what bleed is and why you need it for all of your prints. First, what is bleed? Bleed is the necessary additional color, design, or picture that extends beyond the cut edge of your page to account for any drifting while cutting. The standard bleed is 0.125 inches on every side of your page. Here we see an example of a page filled with the SmartPress blue color. As you can see by the final trim size in the green dashed line that the blue field goes 0.125 beyond that line on all four sides to create the necessary bleed. To create a new document in InDesign with bleed, go to the Create New panel, and once your page size pops up, select your size. We'll use 8.5 by 11 here. Then go down to the Bleed and Slug selection and double click to open up the panel. From there, go to the bleed setting and enter in any field 0.125. Then select out of it to auto-populate and go down to create your document. Once your document is created, you will see your page size in white and the red line indicating the full bleed size 0.125 beyond on all four sides. You can add bleed to a document that already exists without it by following a couple simple steps. Here you see our 8.5 by 11 blue page created without bleed. To add the bleed, all you need to do is go up to the File dropdown and select Document Setup. From there, you'll go to the Bleed and Slug setting and input 0.125 in any of the fields. Then tab over or click out to auto-populate all fields and hit OK. Now you can see the bleed has been created as the red box outside of our cut size page. From there, you can take your design and fill it out to fit all the way to the extended bleed, and you will have now created the required bleed. You can see that you have the final cut line here and the bleed box beyond. If you're not using Adobe InDesign, you can add bleed to any document by adding 0.25 inches to the entire page size and then filling the page. Make sure to keep any important design you don't want cut off 0.125 inches away from the final trim size, or 0.25 inches inside of the document with bleed that you've created. An example of this would be if you have a 5 by 7 card, you would want your document size to be 5.25 by 7.25 and then fill the page. Thank you for watching this SmartPress Presents video, and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to create your brilliant print.